welcome back to Apostle 1 tutorials. Yes, it's very good that you find yourself here. Yes, now make sure that you tap on the subscribe button, then you like the video, and then after that share it to anybody you know that the video will be beneficial to. Now let's look at this circuit theorem question. Now with this question, let's look at the diagram here. In the diagram, O is the center, so which means this one is the center. Okay, now since this one is a center, then it means that, okay, here this side is A. Since this one is a center, it means that AB is the diameter. Okay, AB is the diameter because AB is a straight line. Now OC is parallel to AD. So OC and this one, they are parallel. Now, so since they are parallel, we can apply many things. We can apply alternate angles and those things. Yes. Now let's move on. Now, so AB is a straight line. So straight line means a diameter. And OCA is 48 degrees. And we are supposed to find angle ABC. ABC. So we are looking for this side. ABC. I think this will be very simple. This will be very simple. So how are we going to solve this one? Solution. How do you see the diagram? This one is the diameter. Now, so since this one is the diameter, we can apply the diameter rule. Yes, and what's the diameter rule? The diameter rule says that when we have a diameter like this, and then it forms an angle at the circumference of a circle, that particular angle is 90 degrees. So it made it clear that the angle formed here is 90 degrees. The angle formed at C. So ACB is 90 degrees. Yes, so which means our angle ACB is 90 degrees. That is from our diameter rule. Yes, if you've forgotten the diameter rule, go and check the video on diameter rules. Yes, I have a video on diameter rule. Go and check. Very good. Now, so we can, here is 90 degrees. Now let me also talk about this one. Something here. Now this one and this one, they are parallel. OA, OC and then AD, they are parallel. Now you see when two lines are parallel, and then there is a transverse here. So here is O, this side is C, this side is A, and this side is what? D. Now when they are parallel, we can talk about alternate angles. Yes, so this angle and this angle, they are the same. So this side is 48. So it means that the angle here, this side and this side, they are the same. So the angle here is also 48 degrees. Very simple. 48 degrees. Now, so aside that, the angle here is 48 degrees. Now, aside that, okay, let me present it like examination. So we have angle CAD, which is 48. CAD is 48 degrees. That is from our alternate angles. Now, what again can we talk about? Now, look at something. This one is the center of the circle. So which means from here to here becomes the radius. So this side is a radius. Now from here to becomes what? The radius. This side is a radius. It means that this triangle is forming isosceles triangle. And then what can we say about isosceles triangle? Two adjacent angles are the same. So if I have radius here, this side and this side are the same. It means those two angles are the same. So it made it clear that this angle and this angle are also the same. So here will also be 48. Very simple. That side will be 48. So it means that angle O is the same as angle BAC or OAC is 48. They are the same. So let me say angle BAC is also 48 degrees. Very simple. Very simple. Now, Since we've gotten here to be 48, I can apply triangle, then we get the answer straight away. Now this one is a triangle. Triangle ABC. This one is a triangle, so it means that when we add here plus here plus here, we have to get 180 degrees. So I think this is very simple. Here plus here plus here. Here is already 90. It's supposed to give us 180 degrees because it's a triangle. Yes, so this question is very simple. So this side is angle CAD. This side is angle BAC. Angle BAC. So I'm going to have angle BAC plus this angle, which is angle ACB, ACB, plus this angle, which is ABC. Of course, we are looking for ABC. So angle ABC supposed to give us 180 degrees. Now BAC is 48 due to our isosceles triangle, plus ACB is here, which is 90 degrees, plus angle ABC supposed to give us 180 degrees. So when we add this one, so I'm going to get 138 degrees plus angle ABC is equals to 180 degrees. So our angle ABC will give us 180 degrees minus 138 degrees. So we just have to subtract. Angle ABC will now give us, so when I take this one from this one, I'm going to get 2, which is 42 degrees. So this is the answer for angle ABC. Very simple. The diagram looks complicated, but it's very simple. We are not even making use of this one. We just use a triangle. So we are using the triangle. This is a triangle we are using, triangle ABC. And then sum of interior angle of a triangle is 180 degrees. So we just have to add the interior angles of a triangle. Then we are good to go. So here plus here, 90 plus here, will give us 180 degrees. And we are good to go. I hope it is very simple. Thank you very much. Make sure you like it and you share it to friends. Help each other by sharing my video to anybody you know. Thank you very much. See you one at a time. Bye.